Downloading SketchUp Make is easy. All you have to do is go to Google, type up download SketchUp Make, and click on the link that says all download SketchUp. Once you reach the website, go to the tab that says SketchUp Make 2017, and whichever device you're using, Mac OS X or Windows 64-bit, press download. After downloading the SketchUp Make application, click on the Choose Template bar and scroll all the way down to the 3D printing millimeters and press on it. To delete an object on SketchUp Make is to simply hold one finger on the mouse, then move the mouse around the area in which you want to delete, press the delete tab, and it should be gone. To make a shape on SketchUp Make, simply go to the top bar and go to the icon that looks like a rectangle. When you hover near the icon, it will say Shapes. When you press on the icon, you will have the selection of rectangle, rotated rectangle, circle, and polygon. In the case for making a drone, choose the rectangle. Simply go to the origin, click on the origin, and then expand the rectangle to whatever dimension you want it to be. In order for your SketchUp drone to be printed out, you have to save your SketchUp file in SketchUp STL. Go to Window, press on Extension Warehouse, then search up and install SketchUp STL. Now while downloading SketchUp STL, it will ask you to sign in. You can either sign in with your Gmail or use a Trimble account. Go back to your SketchUp, go under Export and press Save as STL. To download Matter Control, simply go to Google and type in Matter Control. Then, go to or click on the first link you see. You'll be directed to Matter Hacker's website. Once you're on the page that should say Matter Control 3D Printing Software, click on Download Windows. In this application, you will save your SketchUp STL file here. Before you 3D print your drone, you have to check if you're printing at the right temperature for your drone, if the drone has the right calibration, height, and anything else that the drone may require in order for it to be a success. Now remember, all this is made possible via connection between this application and the 3D printer.
First one, black and red, which is the power lead, is this one.
Black and red, so those are black
This
and red.
one goes here.
Wait.
This is the power connector.
A power connector, red
If
and
you
black.
need to change it, solder a new one directly to the pre-installed power lead. Oh wait, this is the power connector. This is the power connector.
This is the power connector, the red top,
The maroon.
the maroon top.
If you need to change it, solder it directly to the already pre-established power lead, making sure to carefully correct polarity. So basically, just this, like from here to here. Black belongs this side, red belongs this side.
Okay, gotcha.
Never solder directly to the battery.
So only if we wanted to solder an extra wire, like extra red wiring, extra black wiring, we had to solder. What you're saying, right?
Okay, so important tip number 1, never solder directly to the battery or connect with reverse polarity, which is basically like if you switch this.
So never put black on red, red on black.
Right.
Gotcha.
Or else it will explode.
Explosion. Warning! Never solder directly to the battery or connect with reverse polarity, which can cause the battery to explode and catch fire. Never charge a 2S or greater or LiPo battery without a lithium balance charger, or the battery will explode and catch on fire. Do not connect with reverse polarity. Connecting with reverse polarity can cause the battery to explode and catch on fire. Allowing the voltage to drop below 3.0 volts per cell could result in damage to the battery. Charging or using a damaged battery can cause the battery to explode and catch on fire. Using a LiPo battery with more current can result in the battery to explode and catch on fire.
To charge the battery, 3 pieces of information need to be known: the charge rate, the voltage, and the battery, the cell count. In a LiPo battery, a 30C for our purposes, there are 3 cells. It has a total voltage of 11.1, and it has a charge rate of 2.2 amps.
This is an M2 screw, which will be used for the top plaque and bottom of the drone. We use the Allen head screwdriver when it comes to screwing all the parts together. The M3 screws are utilized for screwing any other parts of the drone. Example, M3 screws could be used for screwing the motors to the legs.
allows us to program the entire controller.
Yeah.
So the first thing we did was we realized that the controller was focused on airplanes, and we can't have that because this is a quad. I'll show you. Is quadcopter. I forgot the exact term. And that means that it's basically a helicopter because it uses a spinning propeller.
Yeah.
So we had to change that. So first thing I did was I held this thing down because that allows me to go to another menu. There's two menus. In this second menu, after I held down this button, we were able to access different settings from the first menu.
Gotcha.
In this second menu includes the model type, which is split between airplane and heli.
Alright.
We want heli. And I assume that blinking tells me I did a good job.
Okay.
So now we go back and we see, well, we already saw it before, but if we had clicked the airplane, it would be airplane. As you can see, it's a little helicopter there.
It should be in acro mode, not heli mode, because the transmitter mixes the channel outputs at the receiver for a heli CCPM head. In a quad/multi with a flight controller, the controller does all the blending or mixing for you. You simply need 4 essential channels: forward/back, left/right, and yaw, YAW, and throttle.